Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Frase and automate FAQ generation with AI, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Frase AI and press enter. Click on the official Frase website link that appears in the search results. Once on the Frase homepage, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button. Click on that button to create your account. Fill in the required fields with your email address and password. After completing the form, click on Create Account or Sign Up. You may receive a verification email. Check your inbox and follow the instructions to verify your account. Return to the Frase website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the interface. To start generating FAQs, navigate to the Content section. Here, you will find an option labeled FAQ Generator. Click on this option to begin the process. Next, enter the topic or keywords related to your FAQ. Frase will use AI to analyze this input and generate relevant questions and answers. Review the generated content. You can edit any questions or answers if needed. Once satisfied, you can export the FAQs in your desired format. Select the export option, choosing between formats like PDF or Word. Save the file to your computer for easy access. Feel free to revisit Frase anytime for future FAQ generation needs. Explore additional features that Frase offers to enhance your content strategy. Now you are ready to automate FAQ generation with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.